I started out studying horticulture at Wintec, and then I moved into the nursery industry, propagating plants, and had the opportunity to work at Hamilton City Council as a gardener. After a few years gardening, I had my own landscape design business, and then I moved to the Waikato District Council and worked as a parks officer. Then I moved into a project management role, and yeah, the opportunity to work at City Care came up, which was really awesome and exciting. So yeah, threw my hat in the ring and here I am. Yeah, at City Care we don't just see ourselves as another contractor. We work in partnership with council. Having the opportunity to work with council, especially when it comes to broader outcomes and giving back to the community, that's something that we really value. We've been really privileged to have the opportunity to work with some of the awesome community initiatives that are out there in our communities. Some of those, for example, are the little libraries. That project was in partnership with council and Spring Hill Prison. Another project that we were involved in is the Horatu school planting. So it's an annual planting on the Te Awa Cycleway on the Waikato River. We get down there, we have the opportunity to volunteer, share some of our expertise, share some kai, yeah, just get to muck in and help out, which is an awesome experience for us. So yeah, we're all local, so yeah, we've got a really strong connection to our communities, and we love to sort of get out there and work in those spaces that really mean something to us. So I'm really proud to work with our team at City Care. We have an amazing group of staff that I have the privilege to work with. They turn up every day, and these spaces are essentially their backyard. They're part of the local community, and it's amazing seeing them, the amount of passion they have when they show up, and they're taking care of those community spaces, creating spaces for themselves and their families and their friends. They just bring such a good attitude to the workspace, and yeah, I'm super stoked that I get the opportunity to work with them. We're pretty much a big family, so it's awesome.